Welcome to part 2 of this video. As I said before, this Cura version does a very good job. Only did a couple of modifications so that I could do this in base mode. And the beauty of not having a build plate that's running around, moving around, is that you can 3D print things like this, standing up, and they don't get knocked off your build plate all the time, which was one of the issues that I was getting with the Vase U30, which I love, but for this kind of project, it's just not the best. Anyway, this is the left wing, and now we're 3D printing the right wing. In a few hours, we'll have, hopefully, a matching wing that is just as beautiful as this one, and then we'll test them out to see how they compare to the prints made on the Vase. But so far, so good. Thanks for watching.
Likey.